Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
And taking a look at Fort Warren Doppler this morning, rain is edging into the area as we begin the day. As I mentioned, I think in the last hour, if you bring along the umbrella today, you might have a tough time manipulating that umbrella with the winds picking up across the area today. So maybe a raincoat, that might come in a little bit handier, especially for the kiddos standing by the bus stop this morning. That rain already into Niagara, Erie County down here, Chautauqua County, starting to work into the western side, actually the western half of Cattaraugus County. Notice these yellow shades back here to the west, though. These are indicative of some moderate to heavier downpours. And yeah, the rainfall intensity is definitely going to pick up as we work through the day. And we're going to be dealing with some of these heavier downpours, maybe even into the evening hours tonight. With that threat, we are looking at a flood watch, at least for Cattaraugus and Allegheny County at this point. Now, of course, if any counties are added during the course of the day, we will let you know about that. But that flood watch in effect late tonight through late Wednesday for Cattaraugus, Allegheny, the northern tier counties of PA. And also, we're dealing with some pretty strong winds across the area now. Yesterday, I kind of alluded to this, and I thought the strongest wind gusts would be in the higher terrain to the south of the city and along the Erie Lakeshore down here to the south of Sturgeon Point, or to the southwest of Sturgeon Point along the Chautauqua Lakeshore. And a high wind warning has been issued to cover that. That's for southern Erie and Chautauqua County until 3 p.m. this afternoon for possible gusts up to 60 miles per hour. A wind advisory, a lesser wind advisory for Wyoming and Cattaraugus County. As we take a look at your weather for today, well, we're going to broad brush the day with a chance of rain pretty much from start to finish. So definitely we have some soggy weather in store. 8 to 9 o'clock, 44 degrees, 48 in Buffalo at noontime, and 51 at 5 p.m. It will be milder along the Erie Lakeshore down in Chautauqua County. Super microcast, we're looking at the rain moving across the area today. Yellow, orange shades, indicative of those moderate to heavy downpours that we have in the forecast, not only for today, but even into the nighttime period. Now, by tomorrow morning, the winds will diminish and the rain will start to taper off to some snow showers as we get into Wednesday. Colder air pushing back in behind a cold front, and then lake snow starts to set up as the colder air deepens, especially getting into Wednesday night and Thursday. This band may set up close to Buffalo, but there's going to be a tendency, at least for this lake effect snow band, to shift southward across the ski country of southern Erie, Wyoming County, and especially into the southern tier counties as we get into Thursday. Rain on all the roadways this morning. We're broad brushing everything here, north and south, the QEW, the main line into Rochester, back to the west into Erie, and the I-86, pretty much the same story. That's definitely going to slow you down a bit. The current temperatures, well, it's mild out there already, and it will become even milder as we work through the day. Pair of fours at Niagara Falls, down through Buffalo, already up to 47 degrees with that downslope wind coming down from the Chautauqua Ridge into Dunkirk this morning. 39 to the south of that at Jamestown, Bradford at 38, and 40 degrees at Wellsville. Up to the north, Toronto, Pearson starting the day at 41 degrees. Forecast details for today: it's going to be a rainy, windy day. Some moderate to heavy downpours possible, and ponding of water and poor drainage areas. The high temps today 49 to 53. Getting into the nighttime, rain continuing, some heavy downpours again. Ponding of water, winds diminish toward morning. The lows 37 to 41. Tomorrow, rain will be changing over to snow showers fairly early during the morning hours. A brisk breeze with temperatures dropping through the 30s. Little accumulation tomorrow, but the snow will start to stick, especially getting into Wednesday night and Thursday. Looks like lake snow shifting southward from the south towns of the ski country into the southern tier. Scattered snow showers elsewhere, 32 to 37. Some lingering scattered snow showers on Friday and a high of 38.